Hey, what's going on, guys? Manufacturer sent me this plant watering sprayer nozzle for free, so I can test it out, show it to you, let you know what I think about it. So first of all, just want to tell you, I love the soft grip on here. The handle is really conveniently located. Feels really ergonomic. Nice, again, ergonomic grip on there, so I love that. You can see in this spot right here, this is like a flow adjuster. I'll show you the spray right now. But what I really love about it is if you look up close, all of these holes, I didn't count them one by one myself, but the manufacturer said there's 2,000 of them in there, and it makes for a really, really soft watering. I mean, like it's just it feels really nice. And if right, watch, I'm gonna adjust the nozzle. You can see the flow difference a little bit. So that's higher, adjust down to really low. So hopefully you can see that flow difference there. And again, what's so special about having that many holes and it being that soft is that when you go to water your plants, I mean, it doesn't overwhelm them. Sometimes if you have smaller plants like newer seedlings or something, and you water them with like a heavier nozzle, it's just going to knock them down. You might break them or something like that. But you can see how gentle this actually is on the plant. So I really love that about it. And then also if you have like a hanging basket and you need to reach up high, like super simple, I'm not gonna spray water in there because that's my bird feeder. But if you have a hanging plant, it works really, really well for that. So I mean, overall, like if you're looking for a really good sprayer nozzle, this thing is really cool and I do like it.